Now let's just see the next question. Question number 2 says, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? It says, which one of the following cannot be the probability of an event? So let us suppose if I'll write the answer for this one by taking or by recalling a particular node. We know that the probability of any event always lies in between 0 and 1. We do know about this factor that the probability of any event always lies from 0 to 1. So if any particular probability of an event does not lie in between it, so that would be or that would not be the probability of an event. So let us suppose if I am talking about the very first part, we have 2 by 3. So obviously this is lying in between 0 and 1. If we are talking about minus 1.5, so definitely this is not the probability of an event. Why so? Because it is not lying in between 0 and 1. And 15% means 15 by 100, which is nothing but 0.15, and hence this is again a probability of an event which is lying between 0 and 1, and further this is also lying in between 0 and 1. So it implies that B part, which is 1 minus 1.5, is not the, or it cannot be the, is not the probability of an event, because it is not lying in between 0 and 1. So this is not the, or this cannot be the, or we can say this is cannot be the, this is cannot be the probability of an event, or this cannot be the probability of an event because it is not lying in between 0 and 1. So this is the answer for this particular question, because of the reason that the probability of an event always lies in between 0 and 1. So minus 1.5 cannot lie in between it. So it is, or it cannot be the probability of an event. Now let's just talk about the next question. Question number 3, which says probability of E is nothing but 0.05. What is the probability of not E? So we do remember a very important concept of complementary event, means the probability of E plus probability of not E is nothing but is equal to 1. And we do know that the probability of E is nothing but 0.05. So let's just plug in that value over here. So probability of E is nothing but 0.05 plus probability of not E, which is nothing but is equal to 1. So it implies that probability of not E is nothing but 1 minus 0.05, which is nothing but 0.95, which is nothing but 0.95. And hence the probability of not E is nothing but 0.95, which is nothing but the answer using the concept of complementary events. So this is all about the question number 2 and question number 3.